Hi, I'm Alex Farrell with Childcare Wages Tennessee.
And I'm Wes Mays with the Tennessee Childcare Resource and Referral Network. Wages and CCR&R care about elevating the quality of early childhood education across our state, but we aren't the only programs with that goal in mind.
The Tennessee Department of Human Services, or TDHS, funds robust supports that serve the professionals working in the field of childcare. But with so many supports, sometimes it can be a little confusing to know exactly how each program serves you, where those programs differ, and where they might be similar.
So today, we want to dive a little further into each program. By the time we finish, you should know the purpose and intent of each program, how you can get started, and finally, who you can contact should you have any further questions about your specific circumstances.
The Association of Infant Mental Health in Tennessee, also known as AMHI Tennessee, is a multidisciplinary nonprofit organization for all professionals who support the development of children from the time of birth up until the age of 6. AMHI Tennessee envisions a healthy, thriving Tennessee that prioritizes the social and emotional developmental needs of every infant and young child within the context of his or her relationships with family, community, and culture. Their mission is to support infant and early childhood professionals through training, resources, and advocacy to foster the early relational health of infants, young children, and families. One way they accomplish this is by offering the Infant and Early Childhood Mental Health Endorsement, an internationally recognized credential which ensures that early childhood professionals have the tools to navigate infant mental health. If you are interested in receiving an Infant and Early Childhood Mental Health Endorsement, receiving training specifically on infant mental health, or participating in conversations centered around advocacy, visit AMHI Tennessee's website at amhitennessee.org to learn more.
The Tennessee Childcare Resource and Referral Network, or TNCCR&R, elevates the quality of childcare across the state by providing early childhood resources to educators and directors through online and in-person training, on-site coaching and modeling, and referral to state partners. TNCCR&R quality coaches, located in 9 different regions across the state, provide training on a variety of early childhood topics, including how to engage families, building a classroom curriculum, the health and well-being of children in facility care, making your classroom fully inclusive, boosting early literacy skills, and best practices in infant and toddler care. Direction on the administrative level is also provided through small business support specialists who guide on proper facility management. TNCCR&R also provides training on the quality rating and improvement system, so childcare facilities maintain the highest possible quality rating score. Tech Goes Home Tennessee, a collaboration with the Chattanooga-based nonprofit, the Enterprise Center, also provides digital literacy training to childcare facility staff. So, if you feel like you need support with providing quality care to your children, their families, or the management of your center as a whole, contact your TNCCR&R regional office by visiting tnccrr.org, and we'd be happy to connect you with a quality coach that can set you up for success. The Tennessee Family Childcare Network, a program administered by the Tennessee Childcare Resource and Referral Network, provides training and community outreach to Tennessee's family childcare providers. Among the network, educators will find services and support from a staff of regional quality coaches that provide home visits, hands-on training, and technical assistance to address the unique challenges of home-based childcare. The network also offers specialized support for new providers entering the field and for program accreditation by the National Association for Family Childcare, as well as a technical, training-based pathway to earning the National Family Childcare CDA. For more information on how to get started with TFCCN, visit tfccn.org.
The Tennessee Early Childhood Training Alliance, also known as TECTA, is a training and professional development program for childcare staff, high school students enrolled in early childhood careers classes, and childcare program administrators. TECTA serves educators pursuing a college degree, the Child Development Associate or other credential, or a technical certificate by providing in-person and online training, tuition support, and college textbooks. So how does TECTA do this? TECTA services are provided by specialists at 8 community colleges and universities across Tennessee who are available for orientation training, technical assistance, and specialized support for CDA applications and renewals. TECTA also hosts annual leadership, higher education, and training conferences. Research shows that the experiences of children in their earliest years, including their interactions with early educators, have profound impacts on building the foundations for lifelong development and learning. That's why since 1992, TECTA has provided high-quality training and support for Tennessee's early childhood workforce. For more information or to find the TECTA office near you, visit www.tecta.info or contact TECTA at tecta@tnstate.edu. Childcare Wages Tennessee has 3 primary goals: reduce the turnover rate in childcare facilities, address the low pay of educators, and reward or incentivize educators for having higher education. Depending on how many early childhood college classes an educator has completed, Wages direct deposits money straight to that professional. This supplement is dependent on the educator staying employed at their current childcare facility. If at any point they leave the facility, they become ineligible and the money stops. Qualifying educators can receive a check for every 6 months worked in the classroom. Eligible educators receive half of their annual amount with their first check, then they must work another 6 months in the same childcare facility in order to earn the second half of their annual supplement. So who can qualify? Educators need to meet the following requirements: work in a DHS licensed childcare facility, make $20 or less per hour, have one of the education levels in the salary supplement scale, and finally, work in the classroom with children birth to 5 a minimum of 10 hours a week. And that's it. To see the different award amounts and education requirements, access the Wages application, or to contact a member of the Wages team with questions, visit tnwages.org.
Childcare Tennessee is an initiative of the Community Foundation of Middle Tennessee that supports you in 3 different ways: childcaretennessee.com, discount saving programs, and grants. Childcaretennessee.com provides more than 2,600 administrative resources to you for free. You'll find resources to manage your program, support teachers in the classroom, and engage with your families. All you have to do is register on childcaretennessee.com to start using these resources. Childcare Tennessee partners with businesses to provide services and products you use every day for less. As a member of childcaretennessee.com, you'll enjoy discounts on classroom supplies, bulk food purchasing, facility maintenance, and more. Finally, Childcare Tennessee is proud to administer grants in partnership with the Tennessee Department of Human Services. Licensed childcare providers may be eligible for support and enhancement grants, supplemental grants, or expansion grants. Childcare providers engaged in pre-licensure may be eligible for an establishment grant to enhance quality in a new program. Visit childcaretennessee.com for more information about all of these benefits. Childcare Tennessee, saving you time and money while increasing quality.
The Governor's Early Literacy Foundation, or GELF, is a nonpartisan 501c3 that equips Tennessee's children with books and innovative literacy tools that encourage lifelong learning for a brighter future. Their mission is to strengthen early literacy in Tennessee, with their current focus being birth to 3rd grade. GELF is powered by partnership. They work with public and private organizations to provide educators, schools, families, communities, and children with tools and resources. Their goal is to meet children and families where they are, at home, at school, and in the community, with the resources they need to strengthen early literacy skills. All Tennessee children and families can access their programs at no cost. Speaking of programs, GELF has several that all aim to connect children and families with books and literacy resources. From book delivery through Dolly Parton's Imagination Library and a K-3 home library program, to text messages, book buses, and storybook trails, Governor's Early Literacy Foundation is a fantastic resource for educators who want to implement literacy resources in the classroom or connect their children and families with reading opportunities outside of the classroom. To learn more about GELF programs, resources, and how you can implement them in your classroom or community, visit governorsfoundation.org or email info@governorsfoundation.org. It's more than books, it's the future of Tennessee.
We hope that this video has helped clarify the many programs the Tennessee Department of Human Services provides. All these programs exist to help support you, early childhood professionals, in your invaluable work with Tennessee's youngest learners. Because we know, without you, our children can't have the best possible start to life.
If you have any additional questions about where to turn for a particular need, visit the Tennessee Department of Human Services Unified Help Desk. The Help Desk team can help you find answers to questions related to TDHS, childcare services, and partner programs that support childcare in Tennessee, including Tennessee's Child Care Program Stabilization Grants, Train TN, the Tennessee Professional Archive of Learning, TDHS Child Care Services Provider Portal, TDHS e-licensing, and Child Care Partner Technology Resources.
Call our toll-free number at 833-834-7227 or email us at tdhs_ccp@utk.edu. Our help desk team is available and ready to field your questions Monday through Saturday. Thank you for your work, and we hope you have a fantastic day.